Hello friends, in this video we are going to create REST API with Sanctum Authentication. Okay, let's go to our folder. Let me check which we have. Let me check which PHP version I am using. It's 7.2. Let's switch 7.4 first. So we have the commands to switch the version, and I have the video on that also. So which version we are going to use? 7.4. That is fourth. Okay. Now we are going to disable 7.2, disable 7.2 for now, and enable 7.4. Now restart the Apache services. Done. Okay, let's check PHP minus v version. Sorry, it's PHP. It's 7.4. Okay, now check which we have the folder. For which I have the version of laravel. I think there should be blog app. This is blog. Let me permission it. Now go to the blog folder. Laravel I've already installed. I'm just doing the authentication part. Okay, so first of all we have to composer require this command sanctum. What is the next command? We have to publish the vendor. Now it's downloading the package laravel sanctum, and I think it's done now. Okay, everything is completed. We have update. Now we have to vendor publish the publishing complete. Next we have go to app http kernel.php, go to blog app http kernel.php. We need to open. This is kernel.php. What we have to authenticate over here? We have to use the API section. API with this placement. Now this is kernel. Where is API part? API is this. So I'm just replacing this one. Sanctum we are using. Done. Next step is php artisan migrate. So run this command. It says Access denied for user root localhost. The base table with access denied says. Okay, let's check the connection. Go to env file, env variable. Password is let me check what is the password from phpMyAdmin. Localhost phpMyAdmin. Oh, it's phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin and admin. So I the password is wrong. The database is laravel. Our username is this. Password is admin hash. Now I'm saving this env file. Now I'm going to check whether it is workable or not. Database name seems incorrect. Laravel. Let's check whether the database is there or not. If not, then we are going to create the database. Laravel. I have created now. Let's check. Everything is created, the database and all. So next, what is the next step of ours is PHP artisan migrate command is done. Now app users.php we need to open models. Go to app models user.php. This is hidden, remember token and all. Just replace with this. We have new authentication over here that is called the has APIs tokens. We have new one that is added. Laravel use Sanctum APIs. So this is completed. What is the next step? PHP artisan, we have to create a new table. It will run the migration. It will create a migration table. Migration table created. Now we have to database migration create blog.php. Database migration. We have a new table create blogs.table.php. Now we are going to open it and we have to put the required fields that we need it. So just copy all these variables. So it's done. Title and description we are adding. What is the next? Go to app models blog.php. App models blog.php is not there. Let's create it. Or we have a command line to do that. Blog.php. It is blogs or blog.php. I have created this blog.php file over here. Let's open it. Let's paste the content what we have. Okay, now I'm going to paste it. Title, description and all. Next we need to create resource models for this. It will create resource generated. Let's go to the app http resources. App http resources. We have blog.php. resources blog.php, just we need to add this one. The title, description, the format of the JSON that we are going to use it to array that this is the way that we can return the array. Okay, the next steps are now add the API base controller file app http controllers. We need to create this folder API, which is not there, I guess. Let's app http controllers. We need to create a new folder API controllers. In controllers we need to create this. In controllers we have created API folder. Now we need to create basecontroller.php. Let's create API, open new terminal, touch API controller. Okay, now the base controller, we need to open it. Let's put all the things we have. This is a send response, this is send error, everything is there. This is done for send error request and all. Next we have the API auth controller.php. Let's create this one. API open touch this base auth controller.php is there. Now this is done. This is sign up function. This is login. Sign in and sign up, login and sign up function. It will return the, it will create generate the token. Basically first we have, previously we are using laravel jwt. Now this is sent syntax, so we are going to use this new library for that, which is laravel 8 supported. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. What is the next step? That is we need to create a new folder blog controller for the blog part. So let's generate a new. This is created now. Blog controller, let's open it and put all the code from this is all the API code that we need to add. This part is done. Now we have to routes api.php. Go to routes, api.php. So this is the api.php. Let's add the code over here. This is Sanctum REST APIs. So I have just put the middleware auth Sanctum for the blogs. So this is done. What is the next step we have now? We have to run php artisan serve and test the postman APIs. This is our development server. Let's copy it, link, and go to this part, slash API slash register. This is post API body. Let's check what are the APIs for registration. sign up. What we have: name, email, password, and confirm password. Name, email, password, and confirm password. So name, anything we're going to add: email, test at the rate gmail.com. Password, admin123, admin123. Now I'm going to send this one. What we get: user created successfully. If I go to the database also, let's check the laravel. Any user record is there. Users, see, we have the new insertion of the table. Let's sign in. Let's check the route. What is the route for this? I'm not sure which is the route for that. That is login. So let's put the login over here. Login, and that should gonna be again this one. What it requires, what are the parameters it requires? That is email and the password. It's email and the password. Let's log in with this. The token is generated. Now we are going to use this token to generate the logs. So this is authentication part is totally done. Now we are going to use the blog part. API authorize headers, authorization. I think it's post API for that. Authorization type bearer token. You can write, I think, authorization error. Let's put the token over here. Log API block. Let's check the routes what they have. Blogs controller. Source is blogs what it says. Title and field is required. So let's put the title and description. Title and description. Send. Base table or view not found. Laravel blocks does not exist. So let's check whether this table is here or not. We have created. Okay. After that, we haven't run the PHP artisan. No, we haven't run the PHP artisan to run this command. So let's PHP artisan migrate, because base table is not there. The block table is created now. Now again PHP artisan serve, and then we are going to create this blocks. Block table is generated and post is created. If I want blocks slash one, it will return the first ID block. I think it should be get one. I request. See, the first blog is the post is fetched and the message is there. So in this way we are generating the REST APIs using the Sanctum. Thank you for watching this video.